Hello guys, it's Naomi from Fees here. If a Chinese person says, I'm from the north, does that mean they must be from Beijing or the northeast? If someone says, I'm from the south, do Guangdong and Sichuan count as the same? Actually, how Chinese people divide regions isn't just from geography textbooks, it's more by feeling. Today, let's see what the China regional maps look like in our mind. First of all, let's come to the most debated division, South vs North. I will introduce it in two angles, the North-South line in geography textbooks and how Chinese people feel North vs South. So let's go. Qingling Mountains, a majestic range with lush forests, act as a natural barrier, influencing weather patterns across central China. Huaihe River is a key waterway. It flows through plains, feeding fertile lands in eastern China. The Qingling-Huaihe Line is a crucial geographical boundary. North sees cold winters and wheat. South has mild winters, rice, and more rain. It shapes regional climate, agriculture, and lifestyles. But we Chinese have the other standard for North and South, that is the people's feelings. For North, we think that it has the central heating in winter. In November, Northerners wear short sleeves indoors, while Southerners wrap up in blankets. Samples are wheat-based. Steamed bombs, noodles, dialects are closer to Mandarin. Northeast dialect, Beijing dialect, and so on. For South, no central heating. People rely on willpower. Show clips of Southerners using air conditioners or electric blankets. Samples are rice. Dialects are diverse, like Wu dialect, Cantonese dialect, Sichuanese. Sometimes even locals can understand each other. Let me as example. In my city, we have 4 dialect parts. So actually, I can speak the dialect with my classmates because sometimes we can't understand each other. And there is a fun fact that to people from Guangdong, the north might start from Hunan, that is my province. To people from the northeast, the south might just start from the south of Shanhai, Guan. These perception gaps are part of the fun. Now we are going to the part 2, division by economy and development, East vs West. The core idea is it's not just about location, it's tied to city pace and opportunities. The rough boundary is for the East, coastal provinces like Guangdong, Zhejiang, Jiangsu, Shandong, and Beijing, Shanghai. The key words is economically development, fast urbanization, many foreign companies, and for the West, Northwest, like Shanxi, Gansu, Xinjiang, and Southwest, Sichuan, Yunnan, Guizhou. The key words is rich natural resources, stunning scenery, growing fast like the rise of Chengdu and Chongqing. And moreover, for the population, you can also see the difference between the West and the East. And the standards for feeling and intuition also exist here. Like if a young person says, I'm going to the east to work, they might mean a factory in Shenzhen or an office job in Shanghai. If they say, I'm dropping in the west, it could be doing social media in Chengdu or running a B&B in Xinjiang. The west has more opportunities now too. Now we are come to the third part, regions with cultural neighbors. Northeast, Northwest, Southwest, South China, East China. The core idea is these regions have strong cultural symbols in Chinese minds, just like if you mention them in front of Chinese, it will brings to them some memory about it. The first one is Northwest, like Heilongjiang, Jilin, Liaoning, and Eastern Inner Mongolia. And the neighbors is hospitable, funny, winter snow tongues and ice sculptures, sweet and sour pork, arrow pot steam. The example, like people from the Northeast are naturally funny. Half the comedy actors on Spring Festival Gala are from there. In winter, Harbin has ice slides everywhere on the streets. As you can see, it shares many similarities with the northeast of the US. Then northwest, including Shanxi, Gansu, Ningxia, Xinjiang. The neighbors are rich history like Silk Road, Qing Dynasty, and hearty food, 肉夹馍, Lanzhou noodles, Xinjiang big plate chicken, and straightforward personalities. The wishes are sea and city words, making Lanzhou hand-pulled noodles, grape valleys in Xinjiang, and then southwest, Sichuan, Chongqing, Yunnan, Guizhou. The neighbors are food paradise, hotpot, Chuan, hot and sour noodles, hailing scenery, Erhai Lake in Yunnan, Jiuzhaigou in Sichuan, laid-back pace. Chengdu people love drinking tea and playing mahjong, and Chongqing is an 8D magical city. Navigation often fails there. South China, Guangdong, Guangxi, Hainan. Cantonese morning tea, shrimp dumplings. The myth that they eat everything. Actually, it's just diverse ingredients. Highland sunny beaches. When people from Guangdong say 靓仔 or 靓女, it's just polite, not necessarily a compliment nor. And East China, Jiangsu, Zhejiang, Shanghai, Anhui, Fujian, water towns, Wuzhen, Zhouzhuang, elegant Shanghai's fashion, Suzhou's gardens, slightly sweet food, Wuxi braised ribs, Shanghai braised pork. Fun fact, free shipping in Jiangsu, Zhejiang, Shanghai is a special perk for online shopping in China. People from other regions are generous. And central China, like Jiangxi, Hunan, Hubei, Henan, and so on, for neighbors known for misty mountains, Lushan in Jiangxi, and vast lakes like Dongting, and also for some nicknames like Xiangmeizi, Xianggirl for Hunan girls, are often described as passionate and straightforward. Henan is linked to traditional culture, Shaolin Kung Fu, Asian capitals. And for some fun facts, Hunan's stinking tofu and Hubei's hot dry noodles are must-try spicy snacks. Jiangxi's Poyang Lake become a bird kingdom every winter, drawing bird watchers worldwide. The China's regional divisions indeed sometimes give rise to some discrimination, but they more often bring people closer emotionally. This helps bridge distances, invokes the warmth of home, and draws the hearts of Chinese people closer. After all, no matter which region you are from, you are all Chinese. I do wish you can have something from this video, and see you next time. Wish you can have something from this video today, and see you next time.